Once upon a time, in a world filled with dreams and aspirations, there lived a group of individuals who dared to dream big. Their journey towards billionaire success was not paved with luck or chance, but with the unwavering commitment to follow 10 life rules. Today, we invite you to join us on a storytelling adventure as we unravel the secrets behind these rules and uncover the keys to unlocking the billionaire mindset. Rule 1: Dream big. Our story begins with a young dreamer named Alex, who had a vision that stretched beyond the horizon. From a humble beginning, Alex dreamed of building an empire that would change the world. Despite the doubts and naysayers, Alex held on to the belief that anything was possible with a big enough dream. Rule 2: Take calculated risks. As Alex's journey unfolded, he encountered obstacles and challenges that tested his resolve. But instead of shying away from risk, Alex embraced it with open arms. With each calculated risk he took, Alex moved closer towards his goals, knowing that fortune favored the bold. Rule 3: Never stop learning. Along the way, Alex realized the importance of continuous learning. He devoured books, sought out mentors, and invested in personal development. Through learning, Alex gained the knowledge and skills needed to navigate the ever-changing landscape of entrepreneurship. Rule 4: Surround yourself with success. As Alex's empire grew, he understood the power of surrounding himself with like-minded individuals. He sought out mentors and advisors who had already achieved what he aspired to accomplish. Through their guidance and support, Alex expanded his network and accelerated his journey towards success. Rule 5: Embrace failure. Despite his best efforts, Alex faced setbacks and failures along the way. But instead of letting them defeat him, Alex embraced failure as a necessary part of the journey. He learned from his mistakes, adapted his approach, and emerged stronger than ever before. Rule 6: Stay focused. In a world filled with distractions, Alex remained focused on his vision. He blocked out the noise and stayed laser-focused on his goals, knowing that every moment spent on distractions was a moment away from success. Rule 7: Take massive action. With clarity of purpose and unwavering determination, Alex took massive action towards his goals. He seized every opportunity that came his way, knowing that success was not a matter of luck but of relentless effort and determination. Rule 8: Practice gratitude. As Alex's empire continued to grow, he never forgot to express gratitude for the blessings in his life. He kept a gratitude journal and took time each day to reflect on all that he had accomplished. Through gratitude, Alex attracted even more abundance into his life. Rule 9: Adapt to change. In a rapidly changing world, Alex understood the importance of adaptability. He embraced change as an opportunity for growth and innovation, never allowing himself to become stagnant or complacent. Rule 10: Never give up. And so, as Alex's journey towards billionaire success continued, he held on to one final rule: never give up. No matter how many obstacles stood in his way, Alex refused to be deterred. He pressed on with unwavering determination, knowing that every setback was just a stepping stone towards his ultimate goal. And so, dear viewers, we come to the end of our storytelling journey through the 10 rules of billionaire success. Remember, these rules are not just for the chosen few, they are principles that anyone can adopt to unlock their full potential and achieve extraordinary success. So go forth with courage, determination, and a belief in your own ability to achieve greatness. Thank you for joining us on this adventure.